Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm telling you how to cancel a Plix order. Super handy if you've changed your mind or hit buy too fast on those plant-based goodies from plixlive.com. It's a quick process if you catch it in time, so let's get right into it. First, figure out if your order is still cancelable. Log into your Plix account and PixLive. After that, go to My Account and track your order. If it says processing or awaiting payment, you're golden. You can cancel. Once it's dispatched, though, it's too late. You'd need to return it instead. Act fast because Plix moves quick. Step 2. Reach out to Plix support. Open your email and send a message to hello plixlive.com. Include your order number, grab it from your confirmation email or account, and say you want to cancel. Keep it short. Hi, please cancel my order, and the number. They'll confirm if it's doable before shipping kicks off. Next, sit tight for a reply. Plix usually responds within 24 hours. If your order hasn't shipped, they will cancel it and let you know. And step 4, confirm it's done. Check your email for the cancellation notice, then log back into Plix account, and under orders, it should show as cancelled. And that's it. You've cancelled your Plix order. Just check the status and wait for the green lights. Let me know how it went in the comments. Like and subscribe for more how-tos. See you next time.